Good morning on this Sunday in Florida. It's not snowing here, but I did see it snow in other places. So, I want to start off this video talking about my Nissan Gloria. I really haven't posted any videos on it, just besides when we picked it up from the ports. But we're going to do a brake upgrade and new wheels. So, the wheels are already on, so really brake upgrade. Couldn't find the right brakes for this. I know everybody's saying get Q45, Z30s, get these pads, get these rotors. I was like, ugh, no. So I ended up getting, well, I'll show you. Put the brakes on. Here is the Gloria. I ended up with some 19s, working motion CR Kiwamis, 9.5s, and it really makes the car look good. Can't really tell from the video, but it's better than what it had. It had some 20-inch JDM work wheels, but they were made in China. I don't know. So some they were ugly, they were bent, and I had my WX wheels on here. There were 18s, didn't look right, and then got a good deal on these. Got these powder coated. They were bronze. I got them powder coated silver, so it looks good. Moved the car, started doing the brakes. I got these Z32 brakes from Injuku. I guess oops, there goes that. The company's called Rofu Performance Brakes. I don't know. So I've seen them on there, and looks like they will be a nice upgrade. I did order the brackets, but it didn't come in, so I guess we'll see how this video goes. If you need them or not, I'm not entirely sure. I heard no, but we'll go from there. So they supply you with the kit, 2 calipers, 2 front calipers, brake pads, braided conversion lines. That's pretty cool. From there you go, 240 to 300 ZX, and some really sweet rotors. Slide looks pretty good. So we'll take the wheels off, and then it's just pretty straightforward, just a brake upgrade. I'm sure there's a bunch of videos on that, but we'll go through it. Got her all on all fours, if you guys know what I mean. And safety first, get your jack stands. And even if you're working on, this is what I do without a lift, but I put the jack on the side I'm working on, then I'll keep switching on 4. And unfortunately, even though we're doing the front calipers, we still have to bleed the whole system again. I didn't buy back brakes, so yeah, so we got to do that. But we'll start with this one. Caliper bolts are 19s. So before, just to, of course, get a pan, because before I disconnect the line, I would like to make sure, and then I don't need the brackets, just in case, you know. And this is also good just so the car's not, you're not able to drive it again and you took it apart, it's just sitting. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put the caliper over to the side, put everything on. Everything fits good. I'm not really sure about the shield, see if that fits or not, if that needs to be taken care of, and do that. Fit, they do label them, so this is the driver's side or passenger side. They do fit. Calipers do fit, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, so that needs to be trimmed right there. So maybe just that tail is all you need to trim there. I don't know if there's one on the bottom there. I'll trim this one and see what happens down there, and then we'll go from there. So go ahead and disconnect all of that. Again, if you, for instance, I mean, I have the cutting tools, but if you don't, you know, I would suggest getting cutting tools and, or I think that's about it. So 19mm bolts, and then just to hold this on, just use your lug nuts just to hold the wheels on. There's the clearance, top and bottom. It was hitting just a little bit, so I just went to the straight line that it had already, and then little like 2 pieces. And all I did was use these metal shears. It did the job. So it does bolt on, looks pretty good. I'll put the rotor on first, do that, and caliper clearance. Need to check that. Perfect clearance. Let me spin this. Nothing is hitting. I don't have the pads on, but I'm not worried about that. I was actually worried about the spacing. And again, I'm not saying Injuku would do this wrong, or did it, but this is for Z30. It's not for, it didn't say it's for Glorias, but you know, I heard it should fit, so it's a good upgrade. So And it's better than buying used and then having to powder coat it, do real find rotors and things. Just get the kit from them, go there. But it looks good. I am going to, again, before I go crazy, I know it should clear it, the wheels, but if it doesn't, again, this is a good time to double check everything before you disconnect that and have to bleed the system, just so you have to take it off. So until you order spacers, if not. But let's do that really quick and see if she clears. So I got the wheels on. I have spacers, as you can see, a spacer, because these Works, I bought them used and they're really high offset. But I would suggest getting roughly a plus 22 and lower offset, just in case you want to clear any big breaks. Of course, the Work Emotions, they have this right here, so it really helps with clearance. But yeah, I have plenty of clearance here, so, and it looks really good. Maybe I should get the red Work cap and really help it out. So anyway, I'm glad I did this for you guys. So now if anybody's interested in doing this on their Gloria, they don't have to really do this back and forth work, but it's okay. I'm gonna finish this, put the lines on, and then go on to the other side. All right, and I'm done. Here are the Z32 brakes on the Gloria. Looks really good. I ended up, it was a little bit of a pain bleeding by myself, so I actually took it to Jiffy Lube, and they have the machine to bleed all the brakes. So it was $100, worth it for me, instead of just keep pumping and, you know, dealing with safety of not having proper brakes. But so, not bad. I got them to do that, and then looks pretty good. Really sets the car. I know the car needs to go a little lower, but not right now, eventually. But there she is. Hope you guys liked the video and that helped for anybody that's looking to do Z32 upgrades on a Nissan Gloria. I'm sure it works on the other ones too, not just this one. So thanks.